Hello students, how are you all? Students, today we are going to discuss these topics. And the topics are comparing of numbers, formation of two-digit numbers, formation of three-digit numbers. Students, but before starting these topics, I request you all to open your maths book. So, it will be easy for you all to understand these topics. Comparing of numbers. Students, numbers. Numbers are all similar. We have different ways to compare all numbers. Same as, more than, less than, equal to, increasing order, decreasing order. Students, same as. Same as means two or more numbers which are equal. We use equal to sign or we write same as between the numbers. For example, 3 oranges is the same as 3 apples. So, we have written 3 is equal to 3. More than. Students, more than means one number is bigger than the other. It is shown by greater than symbol, or we can say greater than, more than. Students, example, 4 is more than 3. So, we can write it as 4 is greater than 3. Less than. Students, less than means one number is smaller than the other. It is shown by less than symbol, or we can say less than, fewer than. Example, 2 is less than 3. So, we can write it as 2 is fewer than 3. Students, now let us understand these with some examples. Students, as you can see, there are two baskets of mangoes. One basket contains 203 mangoes. Other basket contains 98 mangoes. Students, Ram is asked to take any one basket. So, he decides to take the one with more mangoes. Students, now as you can see, 203 is a 3-digit number and 98 is a 2-digit number. So, as you know that 3 digits are more than 2 digits. So, it means that 203 is greater than 98. So, he decides to take the basket with 203 mangoes. Now, let us take another example. Let us compare 728 and 396. As you can see, both the numbers have 3 digits. So now we will compare the digit at hundreds place. That is 7 and 3. Students, 7 is greater than or less than 3? Yes, 7 is greater than 3. So it means that 728 is greater than 396. Now let us compare one more number. 728 and 796. Again, both the numbers have 3 digits. Now, let us compare the digits at hundreds place. So, as you can see, both the digits are same. Now, we will compare the digits at tens place. That is 2 and 9. Students, 2 is less than or greater than 9? Yes, you are right. 2 is less than 9. So it means that 728 is less than 796. I hope you have understood how to compare the numbers. Students, now let us understand how to arrange the numbers in ascending order and decreasing order. Ascending order. Students, when we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, we call it ascending order. Now, let us understand this with an example. Let us arrange the given numbers, that is 460, 640 and 406 in increasing order. Students, tell me which is the smallest number? Yes, you are right. 406 is the smallest. So, we will write 406 first. Then, yes, 460. And at last, 640. Yes. So, now we have arranged the numbers in ascending order. Descending order. Students, when we arrange numbers from the greatest to the smallest, we say they are in descending order. Now, let us understand this with an example. Now, let us arrange the given numbers, that is 235, 568, 484 in descending order. Students, tell me which number is greatest? Yes, you are right. 568 is the greatest. So, you will write 568 first. Then, 484. Very good. And at last, 235. Very good, students. I hope you have understood how to arrange the numbers in ascending order and decreasing order. Students, now let us know how to form two-digit numbers. Students, say hello to Carrie. He will teach us how to form two-digit numbers with the given digits. Students, numbers are formed with the help of digits. Two-digit numbers are made up of tens and ones. Students, numbers from 10 to 99 are called two-digit numbers. Students, let's take the digits 5 and 6. Here we place one digit at 1's place and other at 10's place. Students, look, we got the number 56. Students, as you can see, the digits are written in increasing order. So, it is the smallest two-digit number formed with the given digit. Here, 5 is taken as 5 tens and 6 is taken as 6 ones. Students, now let us write the numbers in decreasing order. So, when we will write the numbers in decreasing order, we will get the other number, that is 65. Here, 6 is taken as 6 tens and 5 is taken as 5 ones. Students, now let us repeat the digits. By repeating the digits, we can form two more numbers, that is 55 and 66. Students, now let's solve one more example to understand it in a better way. Students, we have the two digits 4 and 0. Here we can form two numbers, that is 04 and 40. But students, 04 is a one-digit number. Students, 0 is never written on the extreme left place. So, 40 is the only number formed by using the digits 4 and 0. Students, we can also form one more two-digit number, that is the number 44, by repeating the digit. Hence, we can only form two-digit numbers with the digits 4 and 0, and those are 40 and 44. Students, I hope you have understood how to form two-digit numbers. Now, let us learn how to form 3-digit numbers. Students, say hello to Bunny the rabbit. Now, let us learn how to form the smallest and the greatest numbers using the given digits. Let's start. Students, look Bunny. He wants to eat these big carrots. Each one of them has a digit written on it. But he can eat only these carrots when he forms the smallest and the greatest 3-digit numbers using the digits 6, 9 and 2. Let us help him. Students, to form the smallest 3-digit numbers, we will arrange the given digits in increasing order. Students, here 2 is smaller than 6 and 6 is smaller than 9. So, we have arranged the digits as 2, then 6, then 9. Well done students, we have formed the smallest 3-digit number, that is 269. Students, now let us form the greatest 3-digit number. And to form greatest 3-digit number, we arrange the given digits in decreasing order. Students, here 9 is greater than 6 and 6 is greater than 2. So, we have arranged the digits as 9, then 6, then 2. Well done students, we have formed the greatest 3-digit number, that is 962. Students, see, Bunny is happily enjoying the carrots. Students, I hope you have understood how to form 3-digit numbers. Thank you.